Welcome back, fellow traders, to a new video of Timo trading techniques. In today's video, we will explore a simple trading strategy using two Supertrend indicators. Be sure to watch until the end, where I will backtest the strategy and give some final results as to what you might expect executing this strategy. Without further ado, let's dive into the strategy and see what is it all about. First, let us add the two Supertrend indicators used in this strategy. We open TradingView and go to Add Indicators. Then we type Supertrend. Under the community scripts, we add the Supertrend indicator twice. We do not need to add another indicator, just clicking twice on the indicator does the trick. Once we have added two Supertrend indicators, we go to the second indicator and open up Settings. In Settings, we change the ATR period from 10 to 20. Also, we change the ATR multiplier to 5. The second Supertrend now acts as a long-term supertrend, while the other classic one operates at a shorter time frame. Now we are ready and fully prepared for the technique. We will start by taking an example of a long position. To find a good entry position, it is always important to keep a few steps in mind. Before we look for signals, we first have to establish some support and resistance zones. These are zones where the price reacts and reverses its trajectory. You can easily spot and consequently draw these zones by studying the price action in the past. Whenever we see price reaching a high multiple times in the past or a low multiple times in the past, we have found us a resistance and support zone respectively. Very often, these zones act in both ways, as support and as resistance throughout time. For this example, we found a support zone and drew it in the form of a pink box. We then wait and search for a buy signal on the price graph. The first one to appear will be one from the short-term Supertrend. Once a buy signal is spotted, we patiently wait for another buy signal to appear. Whenever we see a second buy signal originating from the higher time frame Supertrend, we step in and take a long position. We put our stop loss under our support zone. After we have taken a position such as this, we do not bother with a certain take profit level or a fixed risk-reward ratio. The only thing we need to do is changing our stop loss repeatedly. We see from both Supertrend indicators a green line exiting the buy signal. This is the level where we want to move our stop loss to, whenever this green line crosses our current stop loss level. This is also called a trailing stop loss. In step 4, I will show you how to execute a trailing stop loss with this example. We have taken a long position with our stop loss under the support zone. Then we focus on the green line of the lower time frame Supertrend. This is always the one closest to the price. Whenever it is moving upward and crossing our stop loss level, it is almost time to move our stop loss to the next level. But beware, before we do so, we wait for the green line to flatten and only then consequently move our stop loss to this level. We repeat this step as long as possible. The longer we can move our stop loss level upwards, the more profit we realize. As we can see, we moved our stop loss multiple times in this example, resulting in a nice profit. Before we explore the next few examples, I want to mention the optimal time frame for this signal strategy. After many weeks of backtesting this strategy thoroughly, we come to conclude that the 15-minute time frame works best for this strategy. You may be asking yourself if this strategy is profitable over a long period of time. We will see in a moment if and why this strategy really works by doing some live back testing over a longer period of time after we have watched a short example. But first, if you are also wondering on which platform it is best to do this signal and other strategies on, then I can highly recommend you Bybit, one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Bybit is safe, secured, and transparent. Be sure to click on the link below. You could also receive a nice bonus of up to $30,000 so you could try the strategy out for free. In the next example, we will study a short position. The steps are the same as for a long position, but in reverse. First, we wait for a sell signal. Then we consequently wait for a second sell signal to appear. As soon as this happens, we enter the market in a short position. Now we focus on the red line from the inner Supertrend operating on the lower time frame. As soon as this line crosses our stop loss, we wait for the red line to level. Whenever the red line flattens, we move our stop loss to this new level. We continue to move our stop loss until price reaches our last stop loss level and take our profit. Again, we see some nice reward. Now, we finally put our technique to the test. I will fast forward the test so we can quickly see the results. In a period of 3 weeks, we found 26 entry positions to trade. 15 of those were in profit and 11 were losses. Most of the losses, however, were small and some gains were very substantial, easily offsetting our losses. We end with a total of 38.92% in profit. If our bankroll is, for instance, $1,000 and we apply a leverage of 10x, we would, after only 3 weeks, end with $3,892, hereby almost quadrupling our bankroll. And the best part of it all, you could do it too, just by following the steps explained in this video. I want to thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you soon with more profitable and easy techniques. Also, if you like our content and want to see more of these trading strategies from Timo Trading Techniques when they are posted, please click the subscribe button below.